What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll cover the questions that came in previous year exams of Accenture. I'll cover the verbal ability questions in this video, and also I have uploaded few videos on the questions that came in Accenture this year, that is 2020. So if you haven't watched that, please go and check the videos because that may be very helpful for you people, as I have uploaded cons, logical, and coding questions and many more. So please go and check, and also I'll share the links in description. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Question 1. Okay, we'll see the directions. Direction for questions 1 to 3. Choose the option which will correctly fill the blank. This train travels from London dash Paris. It is obviously to, we always say to from London to Paris, or from this to that. So yeah, for solving this type of questions, I suggest you people to like put each and every blank in this put each and every options in this blank, and check which of the option is making sense. So that will be your answer. This is the only way you can solve the questions with less time. Next question. We stood at the back dash the theater. We stood at the back of the theater, or we stood back at the back on the theater will be eliminated because it is not making any sense. In the theater, no, and for the theater is again a wrong option, so our correct answer is off, that is option A. I will work dash 5 o'clock. So the correct answer for this will be until, because up, in, and to doesn't make any sense if you put the answers like I will work up 5 o'clock. No, I will work in 5 o'clock is again not the correct one. I will work to 5 o'clock. No, no, no. So our correct answer will be until. Directions for question 4 to 6. Choose the word nearest in the meaning to the word in italics from the given options. Okay, basically there is a word given in italics and we have to find the nearest meaning, that is nothing but synonym of the word. We have to choose from the given options. Okay, so yeah, let's check. For solving this type of questions, first see the meaning of the italic word, that is antidote. The meaning is it is a medicine. It is a medicine taken or given to counteract a particular poison. Okay, a particular poison. So basically we take a medicine as a remedy to that disease, or fever or something else. So the synonym will be remedy, or you can say cure. Okay, so then after seeing the meaning of this word, then look for the answers. So option A, cause for, is not synonym of antidote. Result of, no. Remedy, C, remedy. The remedy is synonym of this, like it is the closest meaning of this. So our answer will be C. The antidote to this problem is hard to find remedy for. Because okay, question 5. Because of a family feud, he never spoke to his wife's parents. Okay, now this means prolonged and bitter quarrel. In simple words, it is dispute, that is fight, argument, or quarrel. So, from the given options, we can check the synonym of this word. So, crisis is not similar. Again, trouble is not similar. Problem is not similar. Yes, see, quarrel. Quarrel is the synonym of feud. So, our correct answer will be D. The article is written in a very lucid style. Now, this word means expressed clearly, or in simpler words, easy to understand. Easy to understand. Yeah, so let's check the options. Elaborate is not what we want. Clear, yeah, clear is making like clear is expressed clearly. So yeah, clear can be our correct answer, but we'll check the remaining options too. Intricate. So no, this elaborate, intricate, and noble are not the synonym of lucid. So our correct answer will be clear. That is option B. Directions for questions 7 to 10. Choose the answer option which will correctly fill the blank. Yeah, before attempting this question, I wanted to tell you that I have recently opened a telegram channel in which you can ask me doubts if you have any, or in that channel I share some updates of like of off campus and also some important topics. So yeah, if you want to join my telegram channel, I'll share the link in description. Okay. Directions for questions 7 to 10. Choose the answer option which will correctly fill the blank. So here we have to basically fill the blanks with three articles, that is a, an, and the. These are the three articles that are used in English. So I'll tell you when to use which article. Okay. So wait a second. Yeah. So is like use a or an, use a or an if the title is not specific. Title is not specific. Use the if a specific person has a title, or if only one person has a title. Okay, I hope that is clear. I'll explain it through these questions. Dash man ran into the street. A car hit dash man. So the correct answer for this will be a. A man ran into the street. A car hit the man. I hope that is clear. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section, or you can ask me on my Telegram channel. The interesting thing about Dash Romans is all the roads that they built in Britain. Okay, now here, as you can see, there is a specific title, as I have explained in the previous slide, when to use a and other. So this is having a specific title, therefore in this blank there will come the. The interesting thing about the Romans is all the roads that they built in Britain. The correct answer for this is option D, the. Albert Einstein was famous scientist. Einstein won dash Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Einstein left his country and lived in dash states until he died in 1955. So, the correct answer for this will be Albert Einstein was a famous, because there are many famous scientists, therefore it is not a specific title that we are looking for. So a will be here, and also an will not come here because F is not a vowel. Therefore a. Albert Einstein was a famous scientist. Einstein won the Nobel Prize because there is only one prize that is Nobel in physics in 1921. Einstein has left his country and lived in the States until he died in 1955. Okay, so our option B, the will be the correct answer. Are you shopping for Dash Health Club to join so you can get in shape? Shop wisely. You could end up choosing Dash wrong club and losing more money than pounds. So the correct answer for this is, are you shopping for a health club to join so you can get in shape? Shop wisely. You could end up choosing the wrong club and losing more money than pounds. I hope that is clear. So yeah, this is it for this question, for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you feel it was helpful, please hit the like button. Also join me on Telegram, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I'm working hard for you people to get placed. So I expect the help from you too by subscribing my channel. Yeah, that's it. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.